Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, it's Aida here. How are you guys? I hope all of you had a mesmerizing day. Well, did you remember my last video about isomers of heptane? In today's video, I'm gonna give you a short explain about the isomers of pentene. Let's just start it. So, this is the first isomer. It has 5 carbons with a double bond on the first carbon, so it's called 1-pentene. If we put the double bond on carbon 2, then it will be 2-pentene. This form is also called trans 2-pentene, and this is cis 2-pentene. Trans is when atoms or groups are lying on the opposite side of a molecule, while cis conveys the functional groups are on the same face of the carbon chain. So as you can see, the first and fourth carbon here are at the same side, and here are at the opposite. Now let's talk about butene. This is called 2-methyl-1-butene because it has a methyl group on carbon 2, and the main chain consists of 4 carbons with the double bond on the first carbon. This one is similar, but the double bond was located on the second carbon, so it's 2-methyl-2-butene. Meanwhile, this has a double bond on the first carbon and a methyl group on carbon 3, and it's called 3-methyl-1-butene. Then, we're gonna move to cyclic isomers. Cyclic is when one or more series of atoms in the compound is connected to form a ring. So the first one is cyclopentane. It has 5 carbons in a cyclic without any double bond. Then we got 1-methyl-cyclobutane, and the 1 refers to this methyl group. Now let's move to cyclopropanes. There's 1,1-dimethyl-cyclopropane. It has 2 methyl groups and both on carbon 1. Then split them up to 1 and 2. So we got 1,2-dimethyl-cyclopropane. This form is also known as cis 1,2-dimethyl-cyclopropane, while this is called trans 1,2-dimethyl-cyclopropane because the position of the alkyl is opposite. And the last one is 1-ethyl-cyclopropane because there's an ethyl group on carbon 1. I think that's all for pentene's isomers. But if you think you have more, kindly comment below. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.